Google just dropped a feature inside NotebookLM that turns any document you upload into a finished 60-second vertical video. Script, visuals, voiceover, everything, without you touching an editor. And here is what almost nobody is catching yet. This is not a gimmick tool for students summarizing textbooks. This is a complete workflow for anyone selling social media content to local businesses. The feature is called Short Video Overviews, and it runs on a model Google calls Nano Banana 2 Lite. That model generates images in about 4 seconds. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what you can build with it, and at the very end, I'm going to walk you through the one output format most people ignore that actually gets clients to say yes when you pitch this service. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I teach people how to use free AI tools to make money without a subscription stack holding them back before they have earned anything. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete system for turning tools like NotebookLM into real client income, my AI Toll Booth course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $40. That pricing is only showing for people coming from this video, so grab it now while it is live. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here's the problem. Most people trying to sell social media content creation are stuck paying for platforms that do one thing: edit video. Those tools charge anywhere from $20 to $50 a month just to access the editor. And that is before you have made your first dollar with a client. You are funding the platform before the platform has funded you. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $50 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like NotebookLM matter. Google built this for free. It handles the entire content creation process from research to finished video, no subscription, no trial period, just upload your material and let it run. Here's what I call the research to real pipeline. Most content workflows separate research from production. You gather information in one tool, write the script in another, edit the video in a third. NotebookLM collapses that entire chain into one system. You feed it the source material, PDFs, Google Docs, web links, pasted notes, even ebooks, and it converts everything into a finished 60-second vertical video ready to post. The model generating the visuals is Nano Banana 2 Lite. It runs fast, 4 seconds per image. The voiceover is AI. The pacing is automatic. You are not editing anything. Let me show you how this actually works. You start by creating a notebook inside NotebookLM. A notebook is just a container for your sources. You can drop in as many documents as you need. Let us say you are building content for a local gym. You upload their service menu, a blog post about their training philosophy, maybe a PDF of client testimonials. NotebookLM reads all of it. Now you go to the output options. There are 4 formats you can generate from the same notebook: flashcards, infographics, audio overviews that sound like a podcast, and video overviews. This is where the short video format lives. You click Short Video Overview. NotebookLM writes the script based on your uploaded sources, selects the visuals, layers in the voiceover, and hands you a 60-second vertical video. No manual editing, no timeline, no rendering wait. It just builds the thing. Think about what this means for someone offering social media content to local businesses. One session, you take the business owner's website copy, a few blog posts, maybe a service breakdown PDF, you drop it all into NotebookLM. 15 minutes later, you hand them 5 finished reels ready to post. That output used to require a paid video editor, a scriptwriter, and a voiceover artist. With this stack, it takes 1 afternoon, and the tool costs nothing to run. That is a $300 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let us keep building. NotebookLM also gives you 3 video format options depending on what the client needs. Short is the 60-second version we just walked through. Fast, punchy, designed for quick attention. Explainer is longer and more structured. Think full concept breakdowns. Cinematic is the immersive version with heavier storytelling and polished visuals. All 3 pull from the same uploaded sources. You are not creating 3 separate workflows. You are generating 3 different cuts from one notebook. And here's the part most platforms lock behind a paywall. The short and cinematic formats are currently restricted to Google AI Ultra and Pro subscribers. That is the paid tier. But Google already announced free user access is rolling out in the coming weeks. That means the entire pipeline from research upload to finished reel will be available at 0 cost to anyone. Most social media content platforms charge you monthly just to access the editor. NotebookLM is handing you the entire production stack for free. Now, Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand the video straight to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one format inside NotebookLM that separates people who close deals from people who just send samples. I am walking you through that right now. Here is what that workflow looks like when you run it as a real service. You are selling social media content to a local HVAC company. They need consistent reels, but they do not have the time or the team to produce them. You take their service breakdown, a few case studies, maybe their about page, you upload everything into NotebookLM, you generate the short video overview first, that is your hook content. 60 seconds, punchy, designed to stop the scroll, then you generate the infographic. This is the part most people skip. The infographic gives you a static visual asset you can pair with carousel posts or use as a lead magnet. Then you generate the audio overview. That audio can be repurposed as a podcast intro, a voice memo for email campaigns, or background for longer form content. You just handed them 4 separate content formats from one upload session. That is not a one-time gig. That is a retainer, $300 to $500 a month depending on volume. The platform cost you $0. The time investment was under an hour. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. And if you want the full framework for building this into a system that actually pays you every month, my AI Toll Booth course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $40 right now. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's a real scenario. A solo operator is running lead generation for local service businesses. She uses NotebookLM to create reels showcasing each business's core offer. She uploads their website copy and service descriptions. NotebookLM generates the short video overview in under 10 minutes. She posts the reel to their Instagram. The reel drives profile views. Profile views convert to inquiries. The business owner sees ROI within the first week. She charges a setup fee of $200 and a monthly retainer of $300. The content creation process that used to require paid editing software now runs entirely on NotebookLM. Free infrastructure, recurring income. And here's the thing I promised you at the start. The one output format that closes deals faster than anything else. It is the infographic. Most people generate the video and stop there. But when you pair the short video with a matching infographic, both pulled from the same notebook, you are handing the client a complete content package. The video hooks attention. The infographic holds it. That combination turns a sample into a system. The client is not just seeing what you can do, they are seeing what happens when they keep you around. That pairing is what gets the yes. Okay, imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. Every local business you pitch gets a finished reel and an infographic before you even ask for payment. They see the output, they see the speed, they see what consistent content looks like without them lifting a finger. You are not explaining the value anymore. You are showing it, and the entire workflow costs you nothing to operate. Picture what changes when this is your default process for every one of these services. You are not competing on price. You are not competing on portfolio. You are competing on speed and cost structure. And most people in this space are still paying monthly just to access the tools you are running for free. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.